This vaccine is key source Wildfire by lightning band fireworks normal evacuated in scenes supported by all sea turtle mushrooms. Extreme! Like, the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. So let's into this vaccine in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, shiitake mushrooms.
Don't put that on YouTube!
Alright guys, so I'm at... What?
Can I have fireworks?
We can't have fireworks here. They're banned. We live on the side of a mountain, guys,
Yep.
so we actually cannot have fireworks here. Sorry, we cannot have fireworks. You know this. We lived here last 4th of July. Same deal. Yeah, so since we live on the side of a mountain, guys.
Yeah.
There was, that's right, yeah. Last 4th of July. Yeah, guys, it kind of sucks because, I mean, as much as I love living here, as amazing it is to, you know, have these kind of views. Whoa. God, I thought that was a snake or something. This is a vibrating rock. Anyway. What was I saying?
What?
Heart attack. So there was something moving there.
I don't know, can we not have
Stop
fireworks?
swearing! Okay, you see all this back here? It's getting dark, but you see all these trees? It's really dark. Okay, there is a mountain right there,
Oh, no, crap.
and there is nothing, you know, behind us. Like,
Again, no crap.
we are at the back
I
of the
know.
neighborhood. So, like, there's the whole neighborhood down there. All these houses. Ba 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 ba. Like my sound effects. All right, we're at the very top. So besides that house there, there's actually a house back there.
Hey, but if we light everything
We
on
are at the
fire,
very back.
But if we light everything on
And if
fire,
there's
it'll be
ever
like
a wild
super show.
Leland, if there's ever a wildfire back here,
It'll be cool.
we're toast. Our house will get burnt down. If you come over here, look how dry this grass is. Like, look at
Whoa, there is dry grass. Then it go.
this. Like, look at this.
But Dad, we're fine.
Very dry.
Yeah,
We cannot have fireworks.
literally dry. Yep.
The dirt is from our house.
Yeah, that's a big rock. That okay? Just we cannot have fireworks.
But the dirt is far away from our
Why are
house.
you wearing? You look like you're about to rob a bank or something. Or
Leland Bubba Bank.
My hair is...
So sorry, Leland. No fireworks this year. Or ever. As long as we live out here, we can't have fireworks.
Why?
I just explained. I just spent like 2 minutes explaining why we can't have fireworks.
I'm on the swings with London. Hi! Check out I See London. Hey, stop it, Leland. Out, I'm all spinning. Check out I See London, guys. She just reached over 61? Yeah, 61,000 subs on her channel. It's amazing, guys. I'll have a link. Right, London? Right, there you are. Alright, guys, it's the next day, and we're about to do a live stream for your members on our channel. Leila, get over here! We're gonna do a live stream for our members! Yeah, we got everyone set up. Everybody ready?
Are you ready to go live?
Ready to go live? Alright, so if you guys want to watch our weekly live streams every Wednesday, be a part of the JethroCool Mushroom Army. And we're going to begin right now. Alright, here we go. Okay, well, alright, we just got done with the live stream. Got a little crazy. It's a fighting in our live stream.
Yep.
And if you guys want to see our live stream, join the JethroCool Mushroom Army. We'll have a link down
Yep.
in the description.
Or whatever. These guys are just going crazy. What's up? Just step on our glasses. Stop! Alright, guys. So we're headed into town. No, wait, we gotta stop off at the bank. We gotta pick up some groceries. Okay, no. Okay, you guys, we cannot have fireworks. It is banned in our neighborhood. Okay, so, no, Leland. Alright, guys, so, we're in town, and, as you know, no fireworks are allowed. No, we'll go back home in a minute. And, look at all these flags. I mean, the city here is getting ready for the 4th of July. United we stand.
Yeah, no parade. parade.
No parade this year because of COVID.
Yeah.
Yep.
So this is about as good as it's gonna get. So a lot of places have just decorated, you know, with flags and whatnot. And you got the fireworks. No. Okay, yes. That's a fireworks, but we can't have fireworks. We can't have fireworks.
Fire danger.
It's
You light
too big of a
one
hazard.
Firework and the whole thing.
No, Leland. Okay,
Wow.
I told you, we cannot have
Well, for
fireworks in our
the it's
neighborhood.
a
I mean, there's
lot of
another
them.
fireworks
Wow.
stand right there. No, guys, we cannot.
We can't
You guys
have
know.
fireworks.
I got a whole bunch there, it looks like.
If we bought fireworks, we wouldn't be able to do them. That'd be a waste.
I mean, they could have fireworks in the town here, in the city here, but,
Yeah, but
where
not
we
when
live,
we're
we
up
live
on the mountain.
on the mountains, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's another one.
Dad, on your roulette.
Wow, there's a whole bunch of them. Yeah, there's one right there too.
That's the good
Oh!
one.
In fact, we should have Taco Bell for lunch. That sounds good.
Taco Bell.
Yeah.
Fireworks
Okay.
for lunch.
We're not gonna have fireworks. We're gonna grab groceries, we're gonna stop off at the bank, and then we'll grab some lunch. Look, we need to wear a mask.
Max
now.
up, Utah.
Mask up, Utah.
We'll grab some Taco Bell here.
Fireworks.
No! We're grabbing lunch. We're just gonna grab lunch.
Coronavirus test.
Yeah. No one's getting tested now.
No one.
No one, wow. Alright. Ah, there's a line, dang it. Alright, do you guys know what you want?
Yeah, you want fireworks?
You're not. Hey, food! Not fireworks.
Want a cheesy roll up, Leland?
Huh?
Do you want a cheesy roll up?
But Taco Bell gives me diarrhea.
Alright, Joe, do you know what you want for lunch?
Taco Bell gives me diarrhea.
Well, look, there's the fireworks stand. It's just right there.
Oh, wow, yeah, that's right next to the Taco Bell here.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, what are those fireworks? Yeah, we're still stuck in line here. And there's the building right there. So we're gonna be here for a while. Alright guys, so long line. It's gonna be a while. So we're just hanging out here in the van. And is it even moving?
Not yet.
Alright.
For a while.
Alright, so finally.
Alright.
Alright. God, I really want fireworks. Oh no, so there's fireworks right there.
And there's Leland with the on.
And, phantom fireworks. Man, I really wish we could have fireworks. These people are lucky they get to buy fireworks.
Yep.
So, I don't know. I mean, I wish we could have fireworks. Hey, look at all that. Hold on, let's see what kind of fireworks they have there. Yeah, I'm jealous.
Just, you just see
Alright,
Leland with
so
the.
what else do we need to do besides grabbing Taco Bell?
There's like the bank.
Oh, that's right, the
The
bank.
gas.
Okay.
Typical.
Gas.
Errands. No. I don't know. Get
Hold
some
on.
cat food.
Did the door just close?
I don't know. That's weird.
Weird, huh? Must have been like
What?
something.
I swore I heard the door close.
Yeah,
It should
that's
have been
weird.
open the whole time. Okay, whatever.
Mm.
It's done with the bank.
Yep.
So we got every.
Fireworks.
No, we're not doing fireworks.
We're not having
Just eat your lunch. Just eat your lunch. Yeah. Okay. Oh my God. The kids are still asking for fireworks. Told them no.
Stop.
Thank you. Finally. Finally gonna listen to me.
Mr. Cranky.
I'm
Mr.
sorry, we
Cranky.
just can't have fireworks. Alright guys, so here's the fire station here. And they even have a sign out that says no fireworks. Like, no exceptions.
Yep. Just not allowed anywhere out here.
Yeah. See how dry it is, you guys?
No, it's just
Like,
Whoa,
it's just ground.
that
Okay,
is
so we live on
too
the other
dry.
side of that mountain over there.
It's not even green.
It's not even green. So it's a huge fire hazard. There's been a lot of fires. There was one in Lehigh. There was one in Spanish Fork, right?
Saratoga Springs.
Saratoga Springs, yeah. Yeah, and there was a fire last year in England. Yeah, when we were at England.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that. Is that truck flipping me off?
That's kind of like
Looks like it.
It looks like
You look
it's
like you too,
flipping
yeah.
us off.
Oh my God.
Usually there would be a lake there, but it was so dry, it all dried up. Like where it's green, there at the
Yeah.
bottom. It's still green, but usually there's a lake there. No, you can't light
No.
fireworks anywhere. We don't have fireworks to light, and we're not gonna light any.
It's so
There's no
brown.
lake. We're so dry. These homes here, there's nothing behind them, and that's like us, because we're just right around this.
We haven't even more
horizon.
trees to catch on fire.
Yeah.
And like when we did like the burn, like when we took out trees and we burned them, they got catch on
Yeah.
fire so
So
fast.
fast. It's scary.
Whoa, really?
I mean,
Wow.
we're just right back over there. Our house, and then you got the mountain. So
Yeah.
our house, mountain, and there's nothing behind us.
Trees that catch on fire really fast and dry dead
Yeah.
fast. All that's
And look how dry all of this is. That would catch on fire so fast.
Yeah.
So that's why we don't do fireworks here, guys.
Alright, hey guys, so we got a firework that we're gonna light. And pretty much we're just gonna go outside and just light it up. Really pretty simple. Alright, let's go. Alright, hey guys, so. Alright, let's go this way. Looks like a good place for the fireworks. Oh, there's a cactus right here. Be careful.
A cactus.
I guess let's put it right here. Well, be careful. I'm gonna light it. I lit it. Here, get back. What is? Alright. Oh my god, that really shot up. Go! Go! Hurry! God, you better have filmed that one. I did.
Whoa, hey, what are you doing with my phone? Hannah? What are you guys doing?
We were just playing outside.
You guys were playing outside. Well, that's good. Well, that's good. Well, that's good. They're getting along. That means they're getting along. That's good. Well, good. Leland, where are you at? Are you in here? Oh, what are you up to?
Trusty feet.
Okay. Playing on the Xbox or something? Alright, so with the kids? What is that noise? Hold on, what? What? What is that?
On my phone. Oh my gosh, it's an alarm notification from like the fire department saying there's like a fire we need to evacuate.
What?
Yeah,
Ah.
there's a fire and we need to evacuate.
Where?
Here,
Like behind us?
now.
Are you
Get
s-
out
are you
right
shitting me?
now. Right now. Okay,
How?
that's
Oh,
not-
okay, Leanna, shoes. There's a fire behind us, apparently. Okay, go. Okay, we gotta go. Leland. Okay, we gotta go. We got a fire. We gotta no. Get off the Xbox. We got an active. No, I'm serious. I'm not shitting you. Get off now. Come on. Evacuation. Hey, come on, guys. We've done drills here. We know what to do. Everyone
You
in the
done
van.
wait.
Come on,
Wow.
go. Okay, what do we need? We got a list here. Okay, okay, I'll grab the safe. You guys grab the computer. Kids, grab the cats. Let's go. Come on. Where's the cats? Grab the cat. Leland, come on. I'm serious. We can't. Okay, I gotta grab the safe. Okay, go. Okay, we just put the seats up. Come on.
I don't know how.
Hey, y'all gotta move this thing so that when it comes up,
Okay, watch out. Okay, we gotta go now. Alright guys,
Yep.
apparently there was a fire behind our house here in the mountains. We just got notified by the fire department. I don't know where it's at. Somewhere back there. Can't see it from here. Okay, is everyone in the van? Come on, we gotta go. Okay, do we got everyone in the van? I think we got everything.
now is not the time to vlog. We have to leave. We need it. Where's the safe? Come on.
shit, I forgot the
Where's
safe.
the stuff?
Okay, I'm going.
Go. Hurry! Hurry! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Okay,
Ray,
go.
We gotta
Go.
Hurry!
We don't have time to vlog.
Oh my gosh, it's right
Okay, just calm down. Okay, we've
my
practiced
gosh.
this. We've practiced this.
What?
Okay. I'm gonna stop filming here. All right. Hey, what's up, guys? All right, so we're having to leave the house right now. There's a fire behind us. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Where's my Xbox?
No, don't worry about the Xbox. Wait, we got the kids. We got the cats. We forgot the bunny.
Oh my gosh! Go get the bunnies!
Alright guys, so okay, we got the bunny, we got everything we need. We just gotta get out of this neighborhood.
Wait,
and
did you get my Xbox?
don't worry about the stupid Xbox!
Why didn't you get my Xbox?
Hold on, I'm gonna turn the camera around. You can see the fire. Holy cow. Wow, look at that. So the fire is right around this corner, right around the side of this mountain here.
Oh my gosh.
And our home is like right back there, so it's like right on the other side of this mountain.
Oh my gosh. It's so close.
Yeah, so we gotta be careful when we drive around here.
Why are you vlogging? This is serious.
Yeah.
There's no one here.
It's all along the mountain there. The whole mountain is burning. Look at that.
Wow.
It says 45 mile per hour wind. Wind is so strong right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the fire is just right there, you guys. It's like right there at the top of the mountain. The wind is blowing north, so it's blowing that direction towards the Great Salt Lake.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I know you're trying to film. I am freaking out.
It's okay, girl. It's
I'm
okay.
internally freaking out.
Just drive. All you gotta do is drive. We got 45 mile per hour winds right now. Just keep driving. Fire's just right there. It's making its way down the hill. They're gonna be closing this off pretty soon. And that's not even all of it. That's just a small portion of it. It stretches all along here. Good. Alright, Hill's panicking a little bit. All we gotta do is drive.
Yeah.
Some more smoke right there. So we're gonna be getting on the 201 now. It's okay. You're okay. It's okay.
Wow.
It'll be a while before that reaches, or we'll be long gone. It's okay.
Not my freaking out, you know it. Like right now. I got stopping on the road.
Uh-oh. Oh, man.
Oh my gosh. Are they closing our road? Gosh, the fire is right there, Lee.
I know. Well, they gotta let us go. They can't just keep us here.
Oh.
People are just slowing down, I bet. People are slowing down, taking pictures. The fire's just right there. Okay, I'm zoomed out all the way, guys.
Like, it is right there.
It is right there.
That is not a... Yeah, this is right there.
We got all the fire people right now. Good job, guys.
Got a secret truck here. Water.
Respect to our local fire
Yep.
department people.
It is...
It's
Look
all-
at these flames right there.
Oh my gosh, look at
They're
that.
huge.
Look at that.
Wow.
Right there. Okay, I'm zoomed out, guys.
It is
That
massive.
is-
It is
Look
right
at that.
there.
It is
There
right
is
there.
a really
Right
big
there.
fire.
Holy cow.
Wow. All the cover is what?
Wow. Wow, we got really close to that fire, Killa.
I can't believe it was right there.
It was right there. That's
right there.
so okay. So we're heading into town right now, and the fire was okay. So the fire's back behind us. We just drove by it, and it was really close.
But what are we gonna do now? Like,
Okay, there should be like a hotel here in town.
I can't believe this.
I mean, we can't go home right now, so
Yeah.
We need a place.
just go play it safe. Yeah. So there's a hotel. In fact, there's one right there.
Okay.
There's a hotel right there. Yeah. Yeah, so I guess that's what we're gonna have to do. Alright guys, so there's a hotel right here. We're just gonna pull on up and check in. Hopefully they're not booked. Hopefully they're open. I mean, we got the whole pandemic thing happening too. Alright, so we're just gonna what is this? Hampton Inn?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's park right here and front door's right there, so we're gonna head on in. I wonder what started I wanna know what started this fire.
Actually I know.
What?
Me and Leanna were kind of, so we bought an aerial firework.
What? I told you no fireworks!
Hey, Liana.
Got it, and I guess
No, you guys no, you're shitting me, right? You shot a firework behind our house?
Liana,
You shot a firework behind our house?
don't.
explain to you about this.
You know
Yeah,
there was
Leland,
no fireworks!
This means no,
That's why we have no fireworks, because it lights up
Leland
that
caused
little-
this fire?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. You know how much trouble we're in?
Oh my god.
They better be able to put that out. They better be able to put that. You saw how huge that fire was?
Yeah.
You caused that.
It was about as dangerous.
Why did you cause that? Oh my god.
It's not like I purposely
What are we
caused
gonna
the
do?
fire.
Holy shit,
What do we
guys.
do now?
Leland
I don't know what to do.
caused this. He lit a firework. And now the whole neighborhood is evacuated. If anyone loses a house, it's on us.
Yep.
We lose our house, where are we gonna live? Like it was coming up behind our house. Oh my god. You are beyond grounded. Oh my gosh. You are beyond grounded, Leland. Like this is serious. This shit's serious.
Yeah, he's
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember our videos are skits.
Do not light any fireworks without your parents being there.
So this was meant as a fire safety video. Obviously, our house is perfectly fine. Leland didn't really lit, the mountain on fire.
Yeah,
The
don't
footage
do
you guys saw was from like 2 years ago when there was a fire and we were driving by it. So
Yeah.
we just thought we would do a safety video today,
Yeah,
guys.
there's been fires here from people playing with fireworks. Do not play with fireworks. It is not good at all.
No. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow, yeah. There was a case of Bob followed by a lightning band fireworks. Nobody ever cut it. Uncensored voting by OOC Talking Mushrooms Extreme! And the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. And drop a like if you like. And comment down below if you want to see more reactions like this one. And subscribe if you're new. And click the bell so we don't know if I will upload in the month. Bye.